your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, good morning, everyone. We're starting with a partly to mostly cloudy sky out there on your Friday morning, but no precipitation in the area yet. It's going to take several more hours before we finally start to work in a little bit of rain and then eventually some storms. We'll get to those details in just a moment, but temperatures are milder big time. We told you that it would be warmer this morning than it was yesterday morning. 50s for a lot of us, some spots in the 40s, and we did even have a couple of isolated sheltered valleys in far east Kentucky down in the 30s, but those are going to go by the wayside as obviously we warm up and these gusty winds bring in a warmer air mass. We are already looking at gusty winds this morning, gusts 15 to 20 in most spots now, but in the next few hours, those winds really going to start ramping up, likely around 10 a.m. and after. We'll start seeing gusts 30+ miles an hour into the afternoon, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts, maybe a gust at times over 40. These are winds outside of any gusty showers or even thunderstorms. So it stays windy regardless of rain and storms. Then overnight, the wind finally weakens. The front sweeps that rain out of here, which we'll get to the details of that in just a moment, but we're just talking about the wind, and it'll be increasing obviously ahead of this front, and it's doing so now. Already some scattered showers right here starting to pop up in southern, central, and northern Indiana ahead of that front. That line likely continues to fill in as we get near lunchtime, and then into the afternoon, showers and storms start to fire up a little bit more. This model wants to fire up most of the rain once that front gets east and also south of Lexington. We'll keep an eye on that, but definitely take the umbrella with you. Highest rain chance, absolutely, going to be into eastern and southern Kentucky with that front. But everyone does stand a chance into the afternoon and early evening. We'll get to the football forecast coming up in a minute. Now, the Storm Prediction Center, we've talked about this for several days here, still has the area, most of the area, outlooked in a level 1 risk that we may get a couple of strong storms, maybe a severe storm. It's not a zero chance, but it's a low chance, because a lot of the ingredients aren't lining up exactly right. We're not saying that it won't happen and we couldn't get a warning and that you need to let your guard down. Absolutely not. Have ways to get watches and warnings today. Fox 56 Weather App's a great tool for that. And obviously, if we have to this afternoon and evening, we'll break into programming. But this is not widespread severe weather. This is mainly gusty showers and some rumbles of thunder. PM showers and storms. Some could be strong. We just mentioned that. And windy today. Those gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. Yes, mid and upper 60s, even around 70 out east where it takes longer for the rain to move in. Now, what we're tracking beyond that, and we've talked about this for several days, is some showers that eventually change over to some snow showers by the time we get into Sunday night and then into Monday. Temperatures on Sunday are going to be much colder. The 40s, upper 40s are likely early in the day. By Sunday afternoon, it's likely going to be into the upper 30s and low 40s. And yes, there is a potential we could get some minor snow accumulation on elevated surfaces. Temperatures have been too warm as of late for anything to be causing troubles on the roads. But I can't rule out some minor snow accumulation into Monday. How about that, Krista?